in a sense, Ria, did it begin when you first tweeted to the Home Minister of India asking for a CBI probe into it? Did you actually open that Pandora's box in a sense yourself? The fact that the Supreme Court has accepted, and I again want to read out, they said that the Bihar FIR should be investigated, which includes the claims of Sushant Singh's father, where he says in his FIR that when you left on June the 8th, you had taken cash, jewelry, laptop, credit card. You were handling his bank account from which crores of rupees were withdrawn, that you had threatened to show doctor receipts to the media and prove that Sushant Singh was mad and then no person would give him work, and that on June 8th, Sushant's secretary Disha committed suicide. You had appointed her as a secretary, you blocked Sushant's number, and Sushant was afraid that you would frame him in Disha's suicide. These are the Bihar FIR based on his father's complaints.
Man, they're completely baseless and they are worse than rumors. I never took a single rupee from Sushant. My bank statements are there. I'm already being probed by ED. This 15 crores they are talking about does not exist now that Sushant's bank statements are out there. It's a very big amount. It would have been found. It cannot be hidden. It can't disappear into thin air. We had a company together where we were equal partners, where we all gave 33,000 each. No transaction was ever made in that company. I was not isolating Sushant. He met his family on several occasions in November. In January, he in fact went to Chandigarh to his sister and brother-in-law O.P. Singh's house. He came back from there. Why did they let him come back if they think I was isolating him? In February, they met him again in Mumbai, where they're sitting in a cafe, having food and smiling at each other. Why were they making these complaints about me, saying, get that girl and whack her? That was the message to a senior cop in Mumbai police by Sushant's brother-in-law. Why were they making that and this? It doesn't make sense to me. If you thought that, you had your brother-in-law, you had Sushant sitting with you at a cafe, you should have told him what you felt. You should have taken him back with you.
Why did you tweet the Home Minister asking for a CBI inquiry? Do you think there was foul play in Sushant's death? Do you think he was murdered? Why did you do that?
I was not there from the 8th to the 3rd to the 14th. I want to know what happened in that 1 week, whether it was suicide, whether it was murder. If it was suicide, what drove him to that point? Because he always told me that he would never take such a drastic step. And that's what shakes me. And that's why I want India's apex institution, which is CBI, to come and investigate this. And I asked for CBI inquiry before the Bihar FIR. Long before the Bihar FIR. I don't know how people have turned this around and made this that I don't want CBI. I have faith in CBI. I have faith in the government. And that is why I'm still alive.